Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you all the charging methods for your BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95. So, the first and the most useful way is using the power adapter. So at first you have to prepare a cable that fits into both your adapter and your headphones. For me it's USB Type A to Type C. Then we have to plug this USB Type C cable into your headphones. Now your headphones should be charging. Here, as you can see, they are. Now the second actually way is to charge your headphones in your phone. At first you have to plug the USB Type C cable into your phone, and the second part, which is the USB Type C 2, you have to plug into your headphones. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.